Hey, Sandy.
I'll just make this very short, and I'm sure with the new people who are here, you're already aware that Dory and her team are the real deal. And I just want to confirm that. Sorry, didn't intend to cry.
Thank you, Sandy. It just means so much to me.
I've been with this team for a little over 2 years, still in process. But, on the internet, you see all these 60-second thing that's going to change your life, or this new supplement's going to change everything, or whatever. But with this group, the research is valid. They've done the work. A few months ago, I was diagnosed with dematox blepharitis by my eye doctor, and that is a very nasty parasite that lives in your eyelashes. And I shared with Dory that he told me there wasn't anything they could do other than tea tree oil wipes because they can't kill these things off. And Dory immediately got research and found an answer for me. So I'm now on a medication, an eye medication, that is the latest science, and it does kill these suckers off. So I'm in process. So I'm very thankful for Dory, for Garrett, for the team, because they truly are the real deal. They walk in integrity. They do walk in love to all their clients, even when we're not the nicest at times.
Oh,
So I love and appreciate you guys very much.
we love you, Sandy.
We sure do.